Are you overly restricting calories and not losing weight? I'm Scott Elkington, a registered dietitian who specializes in helping people to boost their metabolism so that they can build muscle and trim down more easily. Being on a very low-calorie diet causes the body to enter a starvation mode, meaning that it burns less calories throughout the day. But when the body is given the extra calories that it needs, it's able to ramp things up again, burning more calories. The difference in the calories being put in versus the calories being burnt is more, which allows for weight loss again. My build-up trim down method is the complete opposite of this. It takes place in two distinct phases, in which the first phase is the build-up phase. During this phase, we work on building up muscle strength, metabolism boosting habits, knowledge, and nutrient stores. Once they're built up to a certain point, the metabolism will start to outpace the amount of calories that you're burning throughout the day, and weight loss will be able to start happening again. At this point, the muscle that you've built and the metabolism boosting habits that you've developed will be doing all the hard work for you as you maintain your newly developed routine. This will allow you to start to trim down and your physique will transform. I've used this method to successfully transform my own life as well as my clients' lives. This allows your metabolism to work for you and not against you.